Hello everyone, I'm Walt here, bringing you guys another one of these kind of self-help videos. Today's topic is a pretty interesting one, as I just discussed the world's greatest lie in the last video. Whether you guys have checked that one out or not, give it a shot. It's some good material there. But today's video is, I would say it's a pretty interesting one. And this one is to make today your masterpiece. I heard this part when I was doing one of my 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself videos, and this one really just kind of struck a chord with me about making today your masterpiece. I was thinking about this a lot when it comes to the present moment, how we live our lives, and as well like with the world's greatest lie. And I think this one's huge because so many people live their lives in a state that is just, it's really bad. They keep thinking, okay, someday I'm going to do great things. I'm going to achieve my dreams someday. Someday I'm going to be happy, but right now I need to suffer. I need to struggle. I need to deal with this. And people constantly are creating their own suffering day in and day out. Things like perfectionism. They think I have to do it perfectly, otherwise it's not going to be achieved. They think they can only be victorious if they suffer. Because all of our stories seem to have the heroes suffering, okay? They don't just have it come easy, they have it come hard. So we naturally have our subconscious minds make it hard on us to achieve our dreams. And this is such a big problem, okay? Because the truth is, we don't need to suffer in order to achieve things. We can achieve things just sitting around doing stuff, okay? We can just sit down and we can type the world's greatest book. We can sit down and we can make great videos. We can sit down and we can achieve our dreams, okay? And a lot of it is boring, okay? A lot of it is very mediocre. And a lot of it is just day-to-day stuff, okay? Montages and movies are always stressing the fact that someday it's going to be great. Like we see them, win the big game by the last thread, or do a montage where they're working all the time or whatever, okay? That's not at all how we achieve our dreams in life, okay? Life, we achieve our dreams simply by doing the work day in and day out, okay? It's not going to just be an overnight thing. It's going to be 1,000 different nights, okay? And we don't have to work at it for like 8 hours every night, stay up all night to achieve something, okay? A lot of times we can really achieve our dreams, make today our masterpiece by just putting in 10 or 15 minutes. If we put in 10 or 15 minutes a day, and we do that for a whole year, 2 years, 3 years, then you'd be amazed by the amount you can achieve compared to when you think that you're just going to put in 8 hours all at once and be able to achieve something. The best study methods that have been tested, because people have always wanted to know how to study better for school. The best study methods are shown to be when you start 2 or 3 weeks ahead and you just work at something 5 or 10 minutes a day. And then by the time the test comes around, you know the information better than if you crammed for the last 2 days and just spent like 16 hours a day doing it. You can spend less time over a greater period of time, and that will allow you to learn more. Part of that's just the psychology of long-term memory. But I think this example really shows the potential we have for achievement. That so much of our achievement, so much of our success is really incremental. It's enjoying today, living in the present moment today, and working at being victorious today. People think, I'll have victory when I do this thing in some months. I'll have victory when I get my new job. I'll have victory when I win this, when I get this award, when I achieve this. And they keep putting their happiness off into the future. If you put your happiness into the future, you may never get there, okay? Our goals are not what make us happy, okay? It's our lives that make us happy. When we live in the present moment, we're happy. Dogs and a lot of children spend most of their time living in the present moment, and if you've ever been around dogs, children, both, regardless, most of them are happy most of the time because they're living in the present moment. Living in the present moment is the happiest experience you can be. Okay, even when you're losing, even when things are not going well, if you can live in the present moment, you can also see the potential to get better. Because the moment where you lose, the moment where things have gone wrong, is over. Soon enough, you're going to learn something new. Soon enough, things are going to get better. And when you know that every day in every way I am getting better and better, when you know that you can achieve your dreams, when you can see the potential, when you can see the power, when you can feel it in the present moment and say, yes, I can. When you can do that, then life truly is going to work for you instead of you slaving away working for life. So live today, live in the present moment, achieve your dreams, and make today your masterpiece. Thank you, I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with the next video. Stay tuned, I'll see you then.